Na na na. Na 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 na.
All right, guys, welcome back. The primary objective of the Limitless Wheels is to enhance accessibility for disabled Jamaicans. Here to tell us more about their aim are co-founders Kayla Williams and Soray Watson. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Fine.
And guys, they made it clear that they are not twins. And trust me, they came inside, I was super confused. But ladies, thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you so
And congratulations on this mission. Really, really, really amazing stuff. How did it come about though? Give us the genesis of it all.
So it was one day I was just kind of thinking, we were talking about different issues in one of our many conversations, and I remember scrolling on TikTok and seeing someone mention like how they gave out a wheelchair, and I texted Kayla about it, and I said, oh, it'd be so cool if I could do this, or we could do this. And she said, yes, we should. And when that happened, we just got right at it, just a simple idea, and we started working.
I love that.
Immediately.
I love that. Thank you so much for saying that, Soray. Because you know, the truth is that we tend to ignore, even in our building codes, that there are Jamaicans who need access to certain buildings, right? And they are differently able. They're disabled persons who require a wheelchair ramp, you know, to access certain things. And how has Limitless Wheels made an impact so far since you started, Kayla?
So basically, you know, like you said, we found that, you know, Jamaica really lacked that, you know, they really lacked the understanding to a certain extent and accessibility across Jamaica. And we found that we really did have to spread awareness, do what we can, even though we're 18, you know, just try to do our best. So far
You're just 18 years old?
We're just 18.
Woo!
Yeah, so far we have given out 4 wheelchairs and 1 walker.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, wow. Boom my fist. I have a pause for this cause. Seriously, amazing. And how do you get the funding though? Is it out of pocket? Do you call up friends? Do you do, you know, initiatives and fundraisers?
Well, to start out, we contacted friends and family. So they were the main supporters in the beginning. We're super grateful, but we're definitely open to donations.
Really?
So just email us or message us if you would like to be a part of the cause.
Wow. When you gave out the wheelchairs, what was the response to the from the persons who actually got those chairs and the walker as well?
The first thing that they really noticed was how young we were. So, you know, to be able to give out something, we don't really like to say, you know, it was life-changing for them, but we really did make an impact. And we really, for example, Miss Audrey, we gave her a wheelchair. She lives in St. Catherine, and, you know, she was really grateful for it.
Yeah.
You know, she got to go outside because sometimes she doesn't really have the support. Yeah, the people to really move her around the house and stuff like that. So to be able to have the wheelchair at home.
Yeah.
Was super, I think everyone has been super grateful, and it's been such a humbling and
really
beautiful experience to see. They're also very tenacious individuals, and they're really strong. So they're grateful to us, and they've been pushing through with everything. And we always have long conversations with their stories, and they're always very excited to share their stories with us, and we're excited to relay the stories on our social media.
Yeah.
That is one thing that we really love doing, is hearing the story, you know, seeing how and why they, you know, need these accessibility devices.
Yeah, yeah. Are there any upcoming initiatives to continue the mission into 2024?
Actually, there is none planned right at the very moment. We're in planning, so we can't really say. We're just continuing what we're doing. We have wheelchairs lined up and people lined up that we need to give the wheelchairs out to. And
So you have wheelchairs right now?
yes.
Right, okay. And you have persons who have applied. How do they get the wheelchair from your organization? Do they have to send a letter, or is it that you know these persons, so you just kind of put it together?
Honestly, so We are open to email and messages. How we've done it so far is like friend of a friend, or that's how we've gotten it. I think that's because we're not as national as we'd like to be.
Well, I mean, hey, this is a national program, the national program, my darling. Yeah.
Yes. So that's what it is right now. You can just send us an email and outlining your circumstances, because currently we do have a priority list due to our main focus is underserved Jamaicans, and we assess the situation and we see what we can do from there, and then we keep in contact with you.
Yeah. Let me ask you, if you don't mind telling us the price of a wheelchair. If somebody wanted to donate the total sum for a wheelchair, how much would one wheelchair cost?
Currently, they go for 25 to 30,000.
And if they wanted to make a donation to you, would you take cash, or do you want the wheelchairs as well?
Honestly, we take anything.
Gotcha.
Anything.
Okay.
So bank transfer, cash, you really just have to reach out to one of our social medias or even by Gmail.
All right, and the address is?
The address is limitlesswheels.org@gmail.com.
Yeah, okay.
And our Instagram is limitlesswheels.ja.
Yeah. What is the ultimate mission of Limitless Wheels?
Well, I say this a lot every time we're asked. Limitless Wheels is dedicated to making the lives of underserved disabled Jamaicans just a little bit more beautiful.
I think you've started that.
Thank you so
I really
much.
think you've started that. Congratulations on what you've been doing. I know that, there are persons right now who are looking on and they're astonished that you're just so young, and the kind of impact that your organization already, I'm sure, it has on the persons who receive the help is just really mind-blowing, really amazing stuff. You make me very hopeful about this country.
Thank you. Well,
really, really.
Thank you so much.
No, seriously. Congratulations. And thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
The ladies from Limitless Wheels, co-founders Kayla Williams and Saray Watson. Stay with us, guys. More to come right here on Weekend Smile when we return. Stay with us.